Stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Just stick to the plan. Walk in with banana clips, cause we know that that'll handle shit. Pointed at him, now he panicking. Got you looking like a mannequin. Ski mask, double bag, let's talk, lot of cash. Need it all, if I don't get it, then the paramedics better come fast. Take all of their presidents, lead cops no evidence. Pull up and pull out the heat, they give me cash and then I'm gon' flee. Hold up, wait, they got a witness. I add them right to my hit list. Soon as they ring the alarm, I laugh with the dons, we already gone. We already gone. We already gone. I can't be caught by the law. Who that? Wait, they never saw. 12 and 5-0. No, we can't take no high road. Roll down blocks and fire out shots. I do all that with my eyes closed. Street too hot, gotta lie low. Turn on the news, that's my show. They see me in an SUV with 100 cop cars, they chase and see. Yeah, stick to the plan. Man, stick to the plan. Yeah, stick to the plan. Yeah, contraband, lot of bands, just stick to the plan.
Ano ba ang very basic sa buhay na mag-asawa? Ano ba yung basic dito? Ang basic ay maging masaya. Sa inyong pagmamahalang ito, kayo'y magiging masayang mag-asawa.
Thank you sa lahat. Kasi kahit wala si nanay, nararamdaman pa rin namin na nandyan ka, na sumusuporta pa rin palagi para sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Si nanay, miss ko na siya. Sayang wala siya dito. Is there a place for us?
Mahal na mahal kita. Ito na, ang ating simula. Kahit lagi mo akong tinatanong na kung Dota o ako. Siyempre ikaw. Tapos saka ako magdodota. Mga bobo! Ipinapangako ko na ikaw ang uunahin, pakikinggan at uunawain bago ako maglaro ng Dota 2. Ako ang magiging kakampi mo sa lahat ng laban ng buhay natin. Mama, maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa amin. Magkakapatid. Naging mabuti kang magulang kayo ni Papa. Sayang wala siya dito. Pero alam kong magiging masaya. Masaya siyang nakikita na ikakasal na ako eh. Alam kong pangarap niya rin ito para sa akin.
Cellphone ang napili kong wedding gift para mas mabilis ka makatawag ng backup kay tatay pag meron tayong sambuhan. At syempre, sa regalo ko na yan sa'yo, dyan natin ika-capture ang moment at memories natin bilang mag-asawa.
Come stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around.
Love, you are my answered prayer. That day, I prayed, Lord, kung bibigyan mo po ulit ako ng lalaki sa buhay ko, sana siya na po talaga. Pero kung alam nyo na hindi po ako ready, ilayo nyo po muna ako sa mga maling tao. At nung gabi ng birthday ko, dumating ka kasama nila Grace. Akala ko bisita lang kita, pero ang lakas ko talaga kay Lord. Wish granted agad.
'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forever.
Tignan mo nga naman ang pagkakataon. Akala ko una't huli na yon. Nasundan pa yan ng pagsama sa akin ni Grace, ng iyong pamangkin, at ngayon bridesmaid na natin. Noong birthday mo at doon nagsimula ang pagdiskarte mo sa akin.
You'll be here in my heart, always.
Ikaw pala, yung somebody sa kantang Somebody Out There na paborito kong kinakanta nung single pa ako. Every time I sang it, it reminds me to stay hopeful, someone who would love me for who I am. I didn't know it back then, but that somebody was you after all along.
You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. They'll see.
I am the luckiest dahil ikaw yung napangasawa ko. Palagi kong ipagpapasalamat kay Lord na ikaw yung isa sa pinaka-special at best gift na na-receive ko sa buong buhay ko. Love, through thick and thin, pipiliin kita araw-araw.
You'll be